Today we'll build a logic circuit for a half adder and implement it in Tinkercad. So the half adder takes two inputs, being 2 bits, and adds them together. So normally we add two binary digits as 0 plus 0. So that gives 0 for the sum, and we carry 0. And then we add 0 and 1, which gives 1, carry 0, and 1 plus 0 is 1, carry 0, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we put down a 0 and carry the 1. So 2 is 1 0 in binary. So effectively the half adder has two outputs. Now let's construct the Karnaugh map for the carry. So there's only one output that gives 1, where A is 1 and B is 1. So therefore the carry is A and B from this Karnaugh map. Now let's construct the Karnaugh map for the sum. So here we have outputs of 1, where either input is 1. So we have the complement of A and B. And then for the other output, we have A and the complement of B. So therefore the sum is written as A and the complement of B plus the complement of A and B. So remember that this was equivalent to the exclusive OR. So we have the XOR between A and B. So you can verify this by looking at the truth table. So the exclusive OR is only true when the inputs are different. So we can see that when the inputs are the same, we get 0. So effectively we take in two inputs, and for the carry, we pass those into an AND gate. So that outputs A and B. And for the sum, we have the inputs A and B. Going to an XOR gate. So this is an exclusive OR that gives the following output. Now let's implement our circuit in Tinkercad. So I've set up our switches representing input A and B and the power supply. And here we have our LED to output our result. So watch the link video below if you're not familiar with this step. So now what we need is another output. So I'm going to take another LED and a resistor and connect the cathode to the ground, as we've done previously. So one LED will display the result from the carry operation, and the other from the sum operation. Now to do the carry, we need an AND gate. So we'll take our quad AND gate that we've used previously and connect pin 7 to the ground terminal and pin 14 to the power. And now we'll use green wires to take our input A to pin 1 and input B goes to pin 2. And then from pin 3 we output the result. So this is the carry operation. And now to do the sum, we'll use an XOR gate. So again, connecting pin 7 to the ground and pin 14 to the positive terminal. And we'll use blue, and then we'll take our input A to the XOR gate. So that goes into pin 1. And input B goes to pin 2. And then the output goes from pin 3 to our second LED. And now let's run this simulation. So we'll start off with off and off. So 0 plus 0 is 0, carry 0. And then 0 plus 1 is 1, carry 0. And then we have 1 plus 0 is 1, carry 0. And then 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So it looks like our circuit for the half adder is working correctly.